How to clone your voice in HeyGen. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any browser and search app.heygen.com. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Log into your account. Then, on the left side, simply scroll down and click on Uploads. After you have clicked on Upload, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on Audio. After that, click on Upload. After you have clicked on Upload, you will find this kind of option. Simply select your audio that you want to add and press on Open. After you have done that, your audio will be added. Now click on the three dots and click on Download. Your audio will be downloaded and you can use it anywhere as you want. And this is how to clone your own voice in HeyGen. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.